Hello, welcome to the next section, Machine Learning. In this section, we'll introduce you to the most effective machine learning tools. Now we move on to the first video of this section, Preparing Tools and Datasets. As introduced in the previous sections, apart from the times when using special packages such as XGBoost for extreme gradient boosting and Keras for deep learning, the Python package for machine learning having the lion's share is scikit-learn. The motivations for using this open source package, developed at INRIA, the French Institute for Research in Computer Science and Automation, are multiple. It's worthwhile at this point to mention the most important reasons for using scikit-learn for the success of your data science project. A consistent API, fit, predict, transform and partial fit across models that naturally helps to correctly implement data science procedures working on data organized in NumPy arrays. A complete selection of well-tested and scalable classical models for machine learning, offering many out-of-core implementations for learning from data that won't fit in your RAM memory. A steady development with many new additions in the pipeline, thanks to a group of top contributors, and extensive documentation with many examples, to be consulted online or inline using the help command. We'll put aside the very instructive but too commonly used Iris and Boston datasets in order to demonstrate machine learning as applied to more real-life datasets. We've selected interesting examples from the Machine Learning Data Repository hosted by Technische Universität Berlin, the UCI Machine Learning Repository, and LIBSVM Datasets, offered by Chi-Jen Lin from National Taiwan University. In order to let you have such datasets, and so that you do not have to rely on an internet connection every time you want to test the examples, we advise you to download them and store them on your hard disk. Consequently, we've prepared some scripts for automatic downloading of the datasets that will be placed exactly in the directory in which you're working with Python, thus rendering data access easier. So go to Jupyter Lab and add this code. Next, load the LIBSVM datasets. Post that, load the CA data. We now load the cover type dataset. Finally, load the newsgroup dataset. In case any part of the download procedure doesn't work for you, we'll provide you with a direct download for the datasets. After getting our compressed zip package, all you have to do is unpack its data into the current working Python directory, which you can discover by running on your Python interface using this import OS command.